In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a social media follow widget on Blogger if you want to make it easier for your visitors to connect with you on different platforms. Adding a follow widget is a simple and effective way to do it. This lets you place clickable social media icons right in your blog's sidebar, footer, or any widget-ready area, so readers can quickly find and follow your profiles. To get started, log into your Blogger dashboard. Once you're inside your blog's admin area, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Layout. This is where Blogger lets you manage the structure of your site and control where different widgets appear. In the Layout page, find the section where you want your social media widget to show up. A sidebar is usually a great choice because it keeps the icons visible as readers browse your content. But a footer section can work well too if you prefer a cleaner sidebar. When you've chosen the location, click. Add a gadget in that section. A pop-up window will appear showing different gadget options you can add to your Blogger site. From this list, choose the HTML/JavaScript option. This is the one you need because it allows you to paste in your own custom code for the widget design, including both the structure and styling. After that, you can enter a title if you want. Something like follow us works nicely, but this part is optional. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can also leave the title blank depending on how you want the widget to appear on your blog. Now paste your custom HTML and CSS code into the content box. This code should already include your social media profile links and the icons you want to display. Before saving, take a moment to make sure your profile URLs are correct and that the code is formatted properly. A small mistake in the code can affect how the widget displays, so it's worth checking carefully. Once everything looks good, click Save in the gadget window. Then, back on the layout page, make sure you also save your layout changes. This final step is important because it confirms the widget placement on your blog. After saving, visit your blog and test the widget. Click each icon to make sure it opens the correct social media page and that the widget looks good on the page where you placed it. And that's it. You've successfully added a social media follow widget to Blogger, giving your readers a quick and professional way to stay connected with you online.